So lately I've been seeing squash recipe on my FYP, and I told myself this is my sign to try this recipe out because sincerely I've never ever tried it out. So I got one squash, washed it, removed the seeds and peeled the back. Prior to doing this, I was preheating my oven because I intend to bake this particular meal. I also noticed that some people do not actually peel the back of their squash. I'm not sure why they do not peel it, but I wasn't ready to try that because with the peel, I wasn't sure the outcome. So I went ahead to peel my squash, remove the seeds, then cut into desired shapes. Transferred to my bowl, then I added some spices and seasonings. So I added thyme, Cameroon pepper. Yes, because I wanted it to have a bit of pepper. I also added oil. I added bouillon Maggi, that's a bouillon seasoning Maggi. I added onion powder, ginger powder. I think basically that's all I added to it. Then I mixed together and transferred to my baking pan and to the oven. And I'm waiting patiently for this to, bake for a couple of minutes, and then I would, see the outcome. I'm kind of not sure what the outcome would be, so I'm hopeful. I'm not worried. I just want it to come out nice. If it doesn't come out nice, well, we'll see. So I'll come back to give you guys feedback. So let's allow this our recipe to bake. Wow, it tastes so nice. Like seriously, I've been sleeping on this. Jesus. Guys, give this a try. Give this a try. Tastes so nice, first, Yes.